Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Beginner English Zone. Today, we start a new English learning series. In this series, I will teach you simple daily English sentences with stories and pictures. These sentences help you in everyday life. Listen carefully, repeat with me, and practice speaking. Let's start with a small story. There's a girl named Anjali. She is a student. She wakes up early every day. Let's see what Anjali does in the morning. Anjali opens her eyes at 6 o'clock. She says, "Good morning," to herself and gets out of bed. She says, "I wake up at 6 o'clock." Then she walks to the bathroom. She says, "I brush my teeth." She holds her toothbrush and brushes slowly. After that, she washes her face with water. She says, "I wash my face." She looks in the mirror and takes a comb. She says, "I comb my hair." Then Anjali goes back to her bedroom. She says, "I make my bed." She folds the blanket neatly, arranges the pillow, and keeps everything clean. After that, she goes to take a shower. She says, "I take a bath." After her bath, she puts on fresh clothes. She says, "I wear my clothes." Then she feels thirsty. She says, "I drink a glass of water." She drinks slowly and feels fresh. Then Anjali sits on the sofa and takes the newspaper. She says, "I read the newspaper." After reading, she checks her school bag to get ready for the day. She says, "I prepare my school bag." This is how Anjali starts her day. These are simple daily actions. You do these things every morning too, right? Now repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I make my bed. I take a bath. I wear my clothes. I drink a glass of water. I read the newspaper. I prepare my school bag. Repeat these sentences 3 times. Speak loudly and clearly. Practice makes you confident. Now it's your turn. Write your answers in the comments. 1. What time do you wake up? 2. Do you make your bed in the morning? 3. What is the first thing you do after waking up? I will read your answers and reply. Here is your homework. Write 5 sentences about your morning routine. Use I in your sentences. Example, I brush my teeth, I drink water, I comb my hair. Write your sentences in your notebook or in the comments. Also, say them aloud every day. That's all for today. See you in the next class with part 2 of this story. Keep learning and keep practicing. Bye.